After I made space levels, now it's turn to select the spaces. For this is to choose the height under the drop ceilings. I go to the sections. I have to mention the heights from the finished levels of the architecture to drop ceilings, exactly like this. This is our height, and we should put the space into this height. It is possible that in your project, height of your project be different. So it is important to know that you mention the height of the drop ceiling. This is the millennium. So we create the level of this place. I select the height here. I put two windows side by side each other by using tile views from View tab. Tile views. You can see side by side windows. This tool is available in the Quick Access toolbar. Also, from Analyze tab, I select space. I put an amount of height, exactly this amount. This is our mechanical level. As a upper limit level, level 1. How much is the height? 7 foot, 8, 532 inches. Space. I put height 7, 8, space 5, that's like 32 inches. I place space here. Make sure that the selected level is a space level 1. The space is exactly up to drop ceiling. We do this for other spaces too. Here, and also here, and finally here. With our section line, we can see all the spaces. And if you want to see your spaces colorful with different color, go to View Visibility Graphics, Model category, find space here, spaces. Check the interior and reference checkbox. You can see spaces here. In this space, we do this for level 2 also. Created a line dimension for level 2. From floor to drop ceiling. It is important, it is necessary to go to level 2. Mention the space. In the level 2, I close this and made side by side all windows. Here, and finally here. Another tool for placing spaces quickly. I use history and using back. When you select space tool, from spaces section, place spaces automatically. This tool automatically place spaces. It is important to set height correctly. From here to here, again, a space, I change the amount, 8 foot. This is correct. 1:16. Automatically, I select automatically. 8 spaces created automatically. Yeah. This is for the situation when you have spaces for all of your spaces. Sometimes you have spaces which does not need to put a space into them. Okay, spaces are placed. It is important to know that when you want to remove a space, there is a warning. A space was deleted from all model views, but it still remains in this project. And this is important to make a schedule. So in the schedule section training, I will explain that completely. But now, briefly, I explained that. Made new schedule. Let's find the spaces. There is some parameters. I will found name. I added to the right place, levels, and number. I add number. I move it up. I will explain this completely in a schedule section of our training lessons. This space not placed. You can see if you want to remove it completely from your project, it is necessary to remove it from here too. Select it and delete it. Now it is completely removed from your project. This will be continued.